guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today I'm back with another video. So I hope you guys are enjoying the festivals with your loved ones. So today I'm back with one such festive video. So before I start the video, let me just wish you a very happy Navratri. I hope you're all safe with your loved ones and you're enjoying the festival. So today's video is definitely going to be festive video. So आज का वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी नवरात्रि / दिवाली फोटोग्राफी आइडियाज. सो बेसिकली ये नवरात्रि फोटोग्राफी आइडियाज है, लेकिन दिवाली भी जल्दी आ रही है एंड बहुत सारी चीजें कॉमन है नवरात्रि एंड दिवाली में. सो यू कैन यूज दिस आइडियाज फॉर दिवाली एज वेल. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट बिकॉज आई जस्ट कांट वेट. स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. आई लाइक टू टेल कि मैंने सेल्फ पोर्ट्रेट फोटोग्राफी आइडियाज की एक प्लेलिस्ट बनाई है विच इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो, बिकॉज पास्ट में आई हैव ऑलरेडी मेड 12 to 13 videos on photography ideas, or you can say self portrait ideas for different festivals. Last year भी मैंने दिवाली फोटोग्राफी आइडियाज बनाया था and that video went so well. So just check it out. I'll leave the playlist in the description box below. So जब भी कोई फेस्टिव सीजन के फोटोग्राफी की बात होती है, सबसे मेन फोकस रहता है आउटफिट्स पे, क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत से हमने आउटफिट्स चूज किए होते हैं एंड यू नो फेस्टिव वाइब इज ऑल थ्रू द आउटफिट. सो मेरा पहला फोटोग्राफी आइडिया फॉर नवरात्रि इज क्लिकिंग पिक्चर्स विथ योर इंडियन वेयर. कुछ भी हो सकता है. यू कैन वेयर चनिया चोली, और यू कैन वेयर इंडियन सिंपल एथनिक वेयर, और you can wear Indo-Western wear, and you can pose such that you can flaunt your entire outfit. So I'm going to share a few of my pictures जिससे आपको idea लग सके how you can flaunt your outfit without clicking a simple picture, but again very easy and very elegant. So here are the pictures. Okay. So that was really amazing. I love outfits during the festive season. And now second photography idea के लिए outfit के बाद आती है jewelry. So Navratri is all about that oxidized junk, silver jewelry, or you can even say gold jewelry. And Diwali में भी हम लोग you know jewelry बहुत ही ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. Especially India में heavy jewelry का tradition रहा है. So in this video I'm going to click some pictures flaunting the jewelry, because the main focus is going to be on jewelry because it gives a very Indian vibe to your entire picture and it looks amazing. The only skill that is needed here is you need to click the pictures in such a way that your jewelry pieces should be highlighted. So I'm going to share a few of the pictures and you'll get to know how you can flaunt your jewelry pieces. So now for example I'm wearing this golden you know earrings which are quite heavy, and these are quite bulky as well, but these are lightweight at the same time. Now if I want to highlight this, I need to make sure that my jewelry pieces are visible, like it's not covered with my hair, or you need to pose in such a manner that your jewelry pieces are seen entirely, and that is going to give a very nice touch to your these pictures, because you know again festivals are all about outfit and jewelry. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so now the third photography idea that I have is really special. So नवरात्रि में सबके यहाँ गरबा आता ही है. Now if you don't know what garba is, here I'm gonna leave a picture of what garba is called. शायद in any different corner of India it might be known with any other name which I am not aware of, so I'll just you know put a picture here. Okay, so if you don't have garba, don't worry, you can click pictures with a lamp, diya, or electric lamps which are easily available, और decoration purpose के लिए almost everyone has those lamps. अगर lamp भी नहीं है, you can click pictures with fairy lights as well. So गरबा के साथ I'm going to pose very traditionally, like अगर आपके यहाँ कोई ritual follow होता है, you can just click picture like that. So यहाँ पे इंडिया में like especially गुजरात side पे we carry the garba on our head, and that is a tradition. So here I'm gonna insert some of the pictures like that. So you can click the pictures in a similar way, or you can just pose with the garba as you like. Now the fourth self-portrait idea for Navratri or Diwali is going to be using a diya. Now you can pose in various forms using diya. You can create a rangoli and put your lamps right there, or you can hold the lamp in your hand and you can pose with it entirely. It's going to look so festive because the light of the lamp is going to brighten up your picture, and you can also click your picture in dark so that the diya is actually visible and it, you know, brightens the entire area. It will create a round around your photo, so that looks quite amazing. So you can experiment as you like. I'm also going to insert some of my past photography idea videos ka pictures, so that you can have an idea about how you can go about it. Now the fifth self-portrait idea for Navratri or Diwali is going to use some antique, or you can say some ethnic pieces of accessories. So this is a potli, you can say it's a traditional potli that I got. Now I got this from Amazon. I'm gonna link the link of this in the description box below. Also, if you want the links of my jewelry, I'm gonna link it in the description box below. My outfit, everything is from Amazon, so links will be in the description box below. Also, a festive Amazon haul video is coming very soon, so stay tuned. I have a lot of good ethnic pieces, so you can definitely check that out. I'll be uploading it soon. Okay, so this is the potli that I have from Amazon. It is really good. Like, you can just have a look at the work it has, and also look at this belt. It is so amazing with white pearls. Here you have lace and it looks really traditional. So I've clicked some pictures with this potli as well, so yeah, check that out. So yeah, that was all about my Navratri or Diwali photography ideas. Let me know in the comments box how you liked it, and if you are recreating any of this, do not forget to tag me. My Instagram handle is below. So that was all about today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video.